Here at the Monroe Institute, we use a thing called focus levels as one of the tools to go into our expanded states of awareness. Focus levels come from Bob's languaging, and it's because when he was having out-of-body experiences, he was navigating the non-physical world, and when he went to different territories, he noticed that his experience was the same each time he went there. And he started to call these territories focus levels, and he would give them a number. Well, the term focus and numbers was there for a very specific reason, and that's because he didn't want to put any kind of cultural overlay onto those words. So focus doesn't really have much, and then he uses numbers like 1, 10, and 12. So for the same reason, we don't want to give them any kind of a cultural, religious, or mystical overlay. So this makes that exploration to be a neutral kind of thing, so it's your exploration and you're not using somebody else's structure that comes from a religious or cultural background. In the exercises that we're going to be using during this workshop, we're going to be talking about focuses 1, 10, and 12. Focus 1, or C1, Consciousness 1, is about the here and now. It's what you and I are in right now, and I hope you're there, where we are fully present in the moment and fully engaged with this physical world. Focus 10 is that state that we nickname mind awake, body asleep. The idea here is that we can reduce the signals from the physical body and that we can be fully present in our mental state as we go and explore the non-physical universe. Focus 10 is one of those wonderful states where we can learn to practice relaxation, and we can practice the reverse of that, intense focused concentration. We can work on healing. We can work on controlling bodily functions. We can talk about things like remote viewing. That comes out of Focus 10. Focus 10 is also good for working with our energy body and the kinds of things that we can learn to do with that energy body. And of course, when Bob was doing his early explorations, his out-of-body experiences all came out of Focus 10. So this is a very rich environment and one that I think you're going to really enjoy. We move to Focus 12. That's the state of expanded awareness, where we begin to realize that there are things out there that are non-local, that we can experience things that aren't in our physical surroundings, that have moved beyond our 5 physical senses. This is a region where we can start to really explore the non-physical realities. It's a great place for guidance, which means decision-making, problem-solving. And for those of you that are in the creative realms, Focus 12 is wonderful to enhance and open up those creative endeavors. In this course, we're going to have a chance to explore focuses 10 and 12, and you'll get to experience what it is that I mean by mind awake, body asleep, and this state of expanded awareness.